beautiful Israel in spring, the amazing city of Herzliya, quiet walk through the streets of the city, nice spring weather outside in May. The Israeli resort of Herzliya is 8 miles from Tel Aviv on the Mediterranean Sea. It is the second most important financial center of the country and its so-called Silicon Valley. The seaside district of Pichach, where there is a lovely beach 7 miles long. The area is called the Village of Millionaires, and on the magnificent promenade built luxury hotels, expensive restaurants, and world-famous medical center. The city has a marina with 800 berths, but we will just walk the streets of the city and see how beautiful it is in May. Welcome to another video of the walking tour of Berlin, in which we walk through the city streets and see the beauty and decoration of this European megapolis. Berlin is the capital of Germany and the largest city in Germany with a population of over 3 million people. It is located in the eastern part of the country, 43 miles from the border with Poland. Berlin is a large metropolis, a city of diverse architecture, museums and palaces, interesting sights, and lively nightlife. The most common name for the city comes from the West Slavic word berl, which means bear. The bear has also been a symbol of Berlin almost since its founding. Dublin is the capital of Ireland and one of the oldest cities in the country, which has the status of a county town and is located where the River Liffey flows into Dublin Bay. Dublin is the capital of freedom-loving Ireland, a city of ancient Vikings, a vibrant and cheerful metropolis. Its fashionable districts with rich mansions and Georgian houses side by side with numerous pubs and nightclubs, and wide streets and spacious squares with magnificent parks and gardens. The multifaceted city of Dublin knows how to captivate visitors. Thousands of years of historic monuments, unique museums and galleries, and an incredibly surprising atmosphere of independent and proud Ireland. Like many other countries, Mexico as capital city has a Chinatown. It is a small street in the center of Mexico City where Chinese entrepreneurs live and work, stores with Chinese souvenirs, restaurants and cafes with Chinese food. Mexico City, a sprawling metropolis, can rival many cities because of its scale and importance. But Mexico City is more than just a bustling city. Here modern life collides with ancient history dating back to Aztec times. Today, let us take a walk down Dolores Street in Mexico City as historic center. Here is the city as Chinatown, and the street is decorated with red lanterns. This neighborhood, consisting of just a couple of blocks lined with Chinese-Mexican restaurants and outlandish stores, is one of the smallest Chinese ethnic enclaves in the world. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.